Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a really lovely Lockwood 225, and it's a little wafer lock padlock, I think with 5 wafers, only one-sided. You can see them there, but very, very cool. Let's give it a little go. Yeah, works fine. And I don't think I've picked one of these sort of factory made models, but I do believe that I've made a Lockwood wafer lock from a kit which it comes all disassembled, and then you assemble it as a Lockwood padlock. And I believe that not that you can really get it off, but you can access the whole lock from undoing this front plate, which obviously won't come off, but it's still nevertheless really cool. And look at that box. This is sent to me kindly by Funky Monkey from all the way over in Australia. Just really, really, really cool. Absolutely love it. And yeah, made in Australia, pre-Assa Abloy. Really nice sort of, well, let's call it vintage. And yeah, just really, really nice, isn't it? Right, let's throw this in a vise and see if we can pick it. So we're in the vise. Here's a reminder of that key. Not bad bitting, really. You know, it goes highs and lows and really high, and then sort of medium cuts at the back. Let's give it a little test. Lock it back up. Okay, there we go. And to pick it, I'm going to be using quite a thick turning tool at the top of the keyway like this, and my monkey paw, because that little ledge on the tip there really helps me to locate myself onto these wafers, which feel like they've got serrations. So that's wave 5, 4, 3 there, and every time we sort of click one in, the core turns just a little bit further. Don't think you can see that. So just going back to 5. That feels set already. 4, 3, little click. Do you hear that? 2 and 2 there and 1. Back to the back again. Nothing on 5. 4, little click. 3, 2, little click. Anything on 1. Okay, back to the back again. There might be some serrations on here. 5, 4 seem fine. 3, little movement again. And then nothing on 2. Click on 1 and there we go. Nice. So I think that these have mild serrations on the wafers. That's why it didn't go pick, 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 pick. I just have to sort of treat it like serrated pins. Very cool though, lovely little lock. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you've got a comment about this lock or a question to ask me, leave one below. I do read all the comments and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, want to see more content like this, please do consider subscribing. It really helps me out. And of course, I'll see you all next time.